my first session organic chemistry. Organic chemistry ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର ପ୍ରଥମେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା। ଯେକୌଣସି କାମ କଲା ସମୟରେ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର, ଏବେ ଚା କଲା ସମୟରେ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର, ସେମିତି ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର, ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଦରକାର, ନହେଲେ ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ତାର ନାଁ ଦରକାର, ନେମ୍। ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଜାଣିବା, ତାର ନାଁ ଜାଣିବା, ତାହେଲେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା ଆମେ ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି। ନାଁ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେକୌଣସି ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡର ନାଁ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଦୁଇ ପ୍ରକାର ନାଁ ଅଛି। ଏକ କମନ ନେମ୍, ଦୁଇ IUPAC ନେମ୍। ଏ IUPAC ନେମ୍ ପର କ୍ଲାସ କହିବା, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ କମନ ନେମ୍ ଜାଣିବା। ଯେକୌଣସି ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡର କମନ ନେମ୍ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। କମନ ନେମ୍ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଖ୍ୟ କଥା ହେଲା କାର୍ବନ, ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ କାର୍ବନ ନାଁ ଜାଣିବା। ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ କାର୍ବନ ନାଁ ଜାଣିବା, ନେମ୍ ଅଫ ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ କାର୍ବନ, ନେମ୍ ଅଫ ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ କାର୍ବନ, ନେମ୍ ଅଫ ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ କାର୍ବନ। ଯେକୌଣସି ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡର ନାଁ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ନେମ୍ ଅଫ ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ କାର୍ବନ ଆଟମ୍ସ ଜାଣିବା। କ'ଣ ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ପଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ନେମ୍ ଅଫ ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ କାର୍ବନ ଆଟମ୍ସ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ମୁଖ୍ୟ କଥା। C1 ମିଥ୍, C2 ଇଥ୍, C3 prop, C4 but, C5 pent, C6 hex, C7 hept, C8 oct, C9 non, C10 deck। প্রথমে অর্গানিক যেকৌণସି অর্গানিক কম্পাউন্ড জানিবা ପାଇଁ নেম অফ নম্বর অফ প্রথমে কার্বন সংখ্যা গণিবা। যদি এক হচ্ছে কার্বন সংখ্যা তাকে মিথ লেখো, 2 হেলে ইথ লেখো, 3 হেলে প্রপ লেখো, 4 হেলে ব্লুট লেখো, 5 হেলে পেন্ট লেখো, 6 হেলে হেক্স লেখো, 7 হেলে হেপ, 8 হেলে অপ, 9 হেলে নন, 10 হেলে ডেক। এটা হচ্ছে প্রথম কথা। যেকୌଣସି ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ତମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ କାର୍ବନ ସଂଖ୍ୟାକୁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। କାର୍ବନ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଗଣିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ କି? 1 ହେଲେ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 ହେଲେ ମିଥ୍, 2 ହେଲେ ଇଥ୍, 3 ହେଲେ ପ୍ରପ୍, 4 ହେଲେ ବ୍ଲୁଟ୍, 5 ହେଲେ ପେଣ୍ଟ, 6 ହେଲେ ହେକ୍ସ। এটা ଅଧା ହେଇଗଲା। ତାପରେ এটা হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট পয়েন্ট, এটা ব্রেন রଖିବାକୁ। সেকেন্ড কথা আলকেন জানিবা পড়িব। তৃতীয় কথা হল আলকিন। আলকেন আলকিন যদি তুমি পারফেক্ট হইব যেকୌଣସି অর্গানিক কেমিস্ট্রি কম্পাউন্ড আলকেন। ফার্স্ট হল আলকেন। আলকেন বলে কোন দেখো, আলকেন হচ্ছে এটা হচ্ছে কার্বন কার্বন সিঙ্গেল বন্ড আলকেন। তারপরে আলকিন মধ্যে জানা পড়ব কার্বন কার্বন ট্রিপল বন্ড। আলকাইন মধ্যে জানা পড়ব কার্বন কার্বন ট্রিপল বন্ড। তারপরে আসলা আলকিন। আলকেন পড়বে আগে আসলা আলকেন। আলকেন কোন থাকে কার্বন কার্বন সিঙ্গেল। তারপরে আলকিন আসলা কার্বন কার্বন ডবল বন্ড ছিল আলকিন, কার্বন কার্বন ট্রিপল বন্ড ছিল আলকাইন। পিলাମାନେ দেখো যে কৌশি অর্গানিক কম্পাউন্ড তৈরি করিবা পাই আমি কম্পাউন্ডর না কম্পাউন্ড ন লিখি পারলে তৈরি করি পারিবা নাই। মনে করো আলকিল হালাইড আলকিন রু আইব, তাহলে আলকিন ন জানি লিখি পাইবা আমি। তেণু প্রথমে আলকেন হচ্ছে কার্বন কার্বন সিঙ্গেল বন্ড, আলকিন হচ্ছে কার্বন কার্বন ডবল বন্ড, alkyne ହେଉଛି carbon carbon triple bond ଏଇଟା ଦୁଇ ହେଲା कार्बन रे हाइड्रोजन केमिति लगेबो टू सैटिस्फाई द वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन रो वैलेंस होची 4 इट इज टेट्रावैलेंट कार्बन वैलेंस होची 4 कार्बन रो वैलेंस होची 4 वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन is 4 so it forms 4 covalent bond এটা করতে কার্বন কেতরা বন্ড তৈরি করতে পারিব চারটা হেলে এইটা জানিলে না কার্বন র ভ্যালেন্সি আমি স্যাটিসফাই করতে পারিবা হাইড্রোজেন এক পয়েন্ট হলা नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम 2 पॉइंट हला अल्केन अल्कीन अल्काइन 3 नंबर हला हाउ टू सैटिस्फाई द वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन रो वैलेंस होती 4 चलो 3 नंबर पॉइंट हला जदि कार्बन अछि तार चारिपटे बॉन्ड किछ नाही केतला हाइड्रोजन रहबो 4 जदि गुटे कार्बन रो गुटे बॉन्ड अछि तार सैटिस्फाई करिया पाए तीनटा हाइड्रोजन जदि कार्बन पाखे दुईटा बॉन्ड अछि लाइन अछि ताहले ताकू केतला हाइड्रोजन रहि पारबो दुईटा जदि कार्बन पाखे तीनटा बॉन्ड अछि एमिति हेइ पारे ताहले ताकू केतला बॉन्ड लगे पारबो हेले कार्बन वैलेंस केतला 4 कार्बन रो जदि किछ नाही ताहले चारटा हाइड्रोजन लगे जदि गोटे बॉन्ड अछि तीनटा हाथ लगेब जदि दुईटा बॉन्ड अछि केतरा हाथ लगेब दुईटा हाथ लगेब आ तीनटा बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड जदि अछि बा तीनटा बॉन्ड जदि अछि ताहले गोटे हाथ एडा होछि एक पॉइंट हला वेरी इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट नंबर जे कोन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड रो ना इना पाए नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम 10 टा बेसी दरकार तापर आसला अल्केन कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड तापर आसला अल्कीन कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड तापर आसला अल्काइन कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड तापर आसला कार्बन को केमिति हाइड्रोजन द्वारा सैटिस्फाई कर कार्बन को बैलेंस गोटे कार्बन थिबो चारटा हाथ लगे कार्बन रे जो बॉन्ड थिबो ताहले तीनटा हाथ लगे कार्बन रे जदि दुईटा बॉन्ड थिबो दुईटा हाथ लगेबो कार्बन रे जदि तीनटा बॉन्ड थिबो गोटे हाथ लगे इना हो कार्बन वैलेंसी is satisfied by hydrogen atoms. तापर आसला अल्केन रो केतरा देखियो बोलू अल्केन thank you एबे हेलो अल्केन how can you prepare hello alkane from alkane so you have to know different types of alkane is your RH. R is your alkene. When alkene is satisfied by hydrogen, it is RH. Second one, first alkene means C1. C by satisfy करिया पे कितना दरकार चारटा है तेणु CH4 दीटा C हला ताकू कितना दरकार आपको तीनटा दरकार काहे जे गुटे बॉन्ड अछि तबे आपको तीनटा दरकार आपको आमे इमिति लिखि परिया मतलब C2H6 तापर ना तीनटा कार्बन थिला C3CH2 CH3 सेमिति चारटा कार्बन ना CH3 आपा में इंग्लिश में C3H8 आपा में लिखला C4H9 जदि हम देखिबा CH4 C2H6 C3H8 C4H9 हम जदि इंग्लिश लिखि नबा त जनरल फार्मूला आसीबो CnH2n+2 this is the general formula of alkane. So, एतिके alkane CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H9. So all contain single bond. For single bond, carbon single bond, we have to use ANE as suffix. For carbon single bond or single bond, we use ANE. So, what to name this compound? My first point is name of number of carbon atom. Name of number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atom is 1. Another mid name of carbon atom. It contains single bond. This is name of number of carbon atom is it. It contains single bond. It has name of number of carbon atom. Prop 3. Carbon atom is 3, so its name is prop. It contains single bond. Propane. Name of number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. But as it contains single bond, it is butane. This is all about alkane. So, how can you write alkane? To write alkane, you have to remember the name of number of carbon atom. The name of number of carbon atom. If it is 1, it is with. If it is single bond, it is a methane. If the carbon atom is 2, so it contains single bond, so A, ethane. Similarly, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. So this is all about alkane. If you do not know the formula of alkane, you cannot proceed in organic chemistry. First, for organic chemistry, you have to know the name of organic compound and how the organic compound be written from the name. So, if you have to write methane, the formula of methane. So, meth is C-A-N-E, it's single bond. So, you have to satisfy with hydrogen 4. It 2C, you have to satisfy with hydrogen 1 bond. It requires 3 hydrogen. 1 bond, it requires 3 hydrogen. If you want to write the contractor form C2H6, you have to well consider this type of structure. Propane. Propane is your 3 carbon atom. A is single bond. So you have to satisfy with CH3, CH2, CH3. Or you can write C3, 3, 2, 5, 3, 8. Butane, but 4 carbon. This is okay. A means single bond. So you have to satisfy with hydrogen. Or you can write. So this is the way. How can you write the name of compound and how can you write the structure of the compound? This is first one. This is alkane. Then comes the. If you do not know alkene, you cannot prepare alkyl halide. If it is given in question, how can you prepare alkyl halide from alkene? So you have to well versed with the formula of alkene, the structure of alkene. So first alkene. Alkene. Alkyl plus ENE. Alkyl plus ENE. Alkyl plus ENE. Alkene is alkyl plus ENE. Alkyl is your R. ENE is your carbon-carbon double bond. Alkyl is your R. Alkene is your carbon-carbon double bond. Then you have to satisfy with hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. 1 hydrogen. 1. This is the formula of alkene. RCH double bond CH. Then you have to buy heart. RCH double bond CH2. RCH double bond. If you forget in any situation, you have to apply this instrument. Alkyl plus ENE. Alkyl is your R. ENE is your CH double bond CH2. Then what is alkyl? Alkyl. What is alkyl? If carbon is N, H is equal to 2N plus 1, then it is called alkyl. That is CnH 2N plus 1 is known as your alkyl. So different types of alkyl. This is 2, alkane is 1, alkyl is 3. Different types of alkyl. First, you have to start with 1. C1, H3, C2, H2 to the 4, 5, C3, H3 to the 6, 7, C4, 2 4 the 9, 8 plus 1, 9. Then you have to name it. For naming, you have to remember the name of number of carbon atom. Here the number of carbon atom is number of carbon atom. Carbon संख्या गाइना पड़िबो ना एटी केते अछि 1 तेनु ताना लागी H केते अछि 2n plus 1 or 2n plus 1 it is YL. Right? C2 it is 8 5 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 YL ethyl. Similarly, it is propyl. It is butyl. Methyl, propyl, butyl. This is your alkene. So, you have to write different types of alkene, different types of alkene. The first alkene starts from carbon 2. Carbon, double. CH2. The second alkene starts from CH3, CH2. The fourth alkene starts from 4 carbon. So, if you put double bond here, if you put double bond here, same. If you put double bond here, it is different. So, two types of alkene is formed by 4 carbon atoms. This is one. So then comes the naming. First, you have to name this now. For naming, always you have to remember the name of number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atom is 2. So if for carbon double bond, it is E and E. For carbon double bond, it is E and E. Ethane. For common name, it is Y, L, E, and G. So, for common name, it lead. So, CH2 double bond CH2. The number of carbon atom is 2. So, it double bond E and E. It is easy. It is high pressure. For common name, you have to keep in mind Y, L, E, and E. So it is easily carbon atom 2 with Y, L, E, and E. Similarly, 1, 2, 3. Prop. Double bond. E and E. Keep it is single bond, then I. It is double bond. So it is E and E. For double bond common name, prop. Lead. Ethylene, propylene. This is alkene. This is alkene. This is alkene. This is ethylene. This is propylene or propane. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Bute. Here it contains double bond. Butene. Its common name is butylene. Hello. Then the difference is the double bond is present in one position. Here the double bond is present in two positions. So it is 1 butane. It is 2 butane. 2 butane. It is 2 butane. It is 1 butane. It is 2 butane. This is all about alkene. Alkyl. Then comes your alkyne. 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 Alkyl plus Y and E. Alkyl means R. Y and E means carbon carbon triple bond. R C triple bond C. Then you have to satisfy the hydrogen. It contains 4 bonds, so it doesn't. It need not require hydrogen. It contains 3 more. So this is the formula of alkyne. Alkyne formula. Alkyl plus Y and alkyne. I will ask alkyl plus divide of the alkyl plus Y and E. Alkyl will call it R. Y and E will call it carbon carbon triple bond. कहाँ पर कौन करें हाइड्रोजन द्वारा satisfy आपको हाइड्रोजन दरकार है. So the formula of alkyl is R C triple bond CH. Then you have to write different types of alkyne. First alkyne starts from carbon 2 carbon. Alkyne is triple bond H. The second alkyne starts from 3 carbon atom. Alkyne is 3. You have to satisfy with hydrogen. No hydrogen required. Then you have to name it. For naming of any organic compound, you have to count the number of carbon atom. The number of carbon atom is 2, so it is equal. On triple bond, it is Y and E, ethyl. The number of carbon atom is 3. Prop. Double triple bond is Y and E, propyl. Its common name you have to buy heart. Acetylene. The first member of alkyne is acetylene. First member of alkyne is acetylene. CH triple bond, CH or C2H2 or C2H2. C2H2 acetylene. You have to buy heart. This is common name. Then comes its common name is you have to divide into 2 parts. This is methyl, this is acetylene. Therefore, its common name is methyl acetylene. Methyl acetylene. This is all about the common name of the compound. Then, alcohol. For alcohol, it is an organic compound. It is derived from alkane. It is an organic compound which is derived from alkane. So it is a derivative of alkane. So what? All organ alkane. Alcohol dharkar do functional group. Alkane लिखा पे कौन alcohol लिखा पे कौन दरकार alkane दरकार alcohol दरकार functional group. Functional group में कौन an atom or group of atom which are responsible for the physical and chemical properties of organic compound. So, what is the functional group of alcohol which is responsible for the chemical properties of alcohol? OH. ये तीनटा दरकार alcohol लिखा पे कितना दरकार तीनटा RH दरकार काहे का RH दरकार it is a organic compound derived from alkane so alkane दरकार तापर कौन दरकार functional group दरकार OH ये तीनटा को इमितास को H का करेंगे OH लगो असला alcohol so what is alcohol ROH. This is known as hydroxy. So, what is alcohol? Hydroxy derivative of hydroxy derivative of alkane. Hydroxy derivative of alkane is known as alcohol. Alcohol तो जानकारी बनाएगी. हम क्यों जानते हैं हालांकि तेणु आल्कोहल कहना तो बाध्य जे कौन से ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री पढ़ला आगु ये छोट छोट कथा जदि जानि दल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री सो अल्कोहल ROH अल्कोहल ROH अल्कोहल ROH so from ROH you can derive number of alcohol. First alcohol C1 alcohol is OH. It contains one bond, so it is CH3. 2 carbon, CH2, CH3. 3 carbon, CH2, CH3. एमिति अल्कोहल किया गया इटा CH3OH इटा C2H5OH मध्ये देखिबा इटा C3H7OH मध्ये देखिबा एबे नाम methyl alcohol. This is methyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol. Alcohol. 2 carbon is in, hydrogen 5 is Yl. Ethyl alcohol. This is C3 propyl alcohol. If you have methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, methyl chloride, methyl iodide, methyl bromide, ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide, ethyl iodide. हमें हलो अल्केन जीवा आगुरु कौन दरकार हमें जे कोनिष्ठ हलो अल्केन कोन आलिए बोले अल्कोहल दरकार तो अल्कोहल नहीं होगा हेला alcohol. This is called alcohol. Alcohol is of 3 types. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. हमें जानी चाहिए अल्कोहल बोल कौन, which primary बोल कौन, secondary बोल कौन, tertiary बोल कौन, जाने का बोल primary. If the carbon atom is attached to another carbon atom, one carbon atom, then it is primary. If the carbon is attached to 2 carbon atom, it is secondary. When carbon atom is attached to 3 carbon atom, tertiary 3 carbon atom. Primary atom, when 1 carbon is attached to 1 carbon atom, primary atom. when one carbon is attached to two carbon, then it is secondary. When one carbon is attached to three carbon, it is tertiary. So you have to satisfy the valency. This is primary. R, you can write R. It is R. R. It is R. C H. It is secondary. It is 3R. It is tertiary. Or you can write C, C, CH3, CH2. It is primary. CH3, CH3, CH. It is a secondary. CH3, CH3, CH3. It is tertiary. So what is the definition? When one carbon is attached to one carbon, that is primary. When one carbon is attached to two carbon, it is secondary. When one carbon is attached to three carbon, it is tertiary. One carbon to one carbon, it is primary. It is primary. One carbon to two carbon, it is secondary. When one carbon is attached to three carbon, this carbon is known as tertiary. So you can write primary, secondary, tertiary. So primary alcohol, primary alcohol, primary is RCH2, OH. Secondary alcohol, RCH, OH. Tertiary alcohol, three carbon or three alkyl group. This is tertiary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol, this is primary alcohol. This is all about your alcohol. So, how can you name this primary alcohol? This is, if it contains CH2C, it is primary. Alcohol is what? This is ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol is a primary alcohol. If it contains CH3, CH, OH, this is isopropyl. This group is isopropyl. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Where it contains three carbon atom, and it is in isopropyl alcohol. This is isopropyl. Then comes the CH3, COH. It is a tertiary. It contains four carbon atom. So it is tertiary butyl alcohol. जे कौन से हेलो अल्केन में आपको पता tertiary butyl chloride आने tertiary butyl alcohol होता isopropyl chloride आने isopropyl alcohol होता और ethyl chloride ethyl bromide ethyl iodide ethyl alcohol होता तो alcohol जानना तो पड़ेगा. This is all about different types of compounds. Thank you, my dear student. Then I will discuss other organic compounds in the next session.